In this video, we will be installing the IntelliJ IDEA code editor for Java. IntelliJ IDEA is one of the most popular IDEs, or integrated development environments. This tutorial is for a Mac operating system, so please check the link in the description below if you need the Windows tutorial. Make sure you have your Java development kit installed before you complete this installation. You can double check if Java is installed by running the command java -version in terminal, or by opening up your system preferences and seeing if you have the Java icon in the bottom row. Check the link in the description below for the JDK installation tutorial for Macs if you do not already have it installed. Let's go ahead and begin. Pause the video here and read over the list of instructions in this README file, then click the download link in instruction 1. On the download page, select Mac OS and then click download for the Community Edition. Once the download completes, double-click to open the disk image file and start the installation process. Once the download opens, you should see a Finder window pop up with the code editor icon and your applications folder icon. Drag the IntelliJ IDEA CE icon into the applications folder. Once the files have finished copying, find the IntelliJ IDEA application either in Launchpad or in a Finder window in your applications folder, and go ahead and open up the app. After the app finishes verifying, you will be prompted to open the third-party application downloaded from the internet. Go ahead and click Open. Next, you will be asked if you would like to import IntelliJ settings from a config or installation folder, or use the default Do Not Import settings. Keep the default settings selected and then click OK. In the data sharing window, you can choose either option, to send usage statistics or don't send to keep from sharing data. Next, you will be prompted to customize the IntelliJ IDEA code editor. You can click the Skip Remaining and Set Defaults button at any time in the bottom left of the window. Otherwise, click through to set theme, key map scheme, launcher script, and plugins. If you wish to change the defaults later, note that the instructions at the bottom of each page tell you where to locate the settings within the app. At the end, click the Start Using IntelliJ button and the application should launch. Once you have successfully started up the application, don't forget to eject the install drive and delete the IntelliJ IDEA disk image installation files from your downloads. And congrats! You have successfully installed the IntelliJ IDEA code editor.